XRP, we start with a 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within here, we mentioned we can look at this one as a flat. Even if you get any opportunity to buy, we will take it. This is what we get, but the only way to look for trade was if anyone get the trade based on lower time frame. But as what we expected, the price tag, the first target 1.30, as we can see exactly the price tag, then reverse, right? Because if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within here. And the way we have been looking for buy by having entry above this. And whoever is still, they keep the trade by having entry above this. If they want to keep the trade, right now, they should make a decision whether they want to take with the trade in the profit since the price tag the first target, or they want to keep the trade either by moving their stop loss to break even or book some small profit. Because with the breakout of 1.03 based on a 1 hour chart, the next target we can look for 1.07. It's a short term, but we need to see the breakout of this zone. All right. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with the daily chart, and based on daily chart, we have been looking for this one. That's why we mentioned if you get any opportunity for buy reversal, we will take it. And we need to see the breakout of 1.42, because with the breakout of 1.42, we can look for 1.65 following by 1.97. And if you move to forward chart, similar to what we explained based on 1 hour chart, the way is move is already corrective. Mostly if we see this kind of the corrective move, it doesn't give us really a good opportunity for buy. We have to see the breakout of this, either as a short move at the top or low before we take the next trade. All right, but the breakout of the 1.1, which is this one, is quite important for us. That's why we mentioned we need the targets we put as 1.07. All right, by the way, at this point we don't have any trade setup for buy, and even if we move to 1 hour chart, we see we have a divergence. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to be really careful. All right, how about if this one turns to a flag, we can look for buy, but with the breakout of 1.07, we have to move our stop loss to break even. And as I mentioned, we have to see the breakout of this correction to look for the next trade. Either breakout as a short move flag, or this one turn to deep a correction before we take the next trade. At this point, we don't have any trade setup, even we have a divergence. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.